Product manufacturing is divided into 3 stages: supply, transformation, and the final product. And raw materials are the basis of any business that makes and sells products. Knowing where, how much, and what stock you have in storage for production can be costly as well as chaotic, making it impossible for a company to reach its targets. To help businesses respond to this challenge, Mecalux Software Solutions has developed the ideal program to round out easywms, the WMS for manufacturing module. This software is designed to provide comprehensive traceability of raw materials, from their arrival at the warehouse to the storage and dispatch of the final product. This digital solution ensures continuous communication between the production plant and the logistics center, with the ability to tailor the system's configuration to each facility. Let's look at some possible management scenarios. In the first, the WMS for manufacturing module controls the supply of the production lines, the manufacturing process, and the management of the final product. In the next 2 cases, management is carried out jointly with the MES. Here, the module is charged with supplying the production lines, while the MES takes care of manufacturing, as well as management of the final products. And in this scenario, the MES is responsible for the manufacturing process, while the easywms module supplies the production lines and manages the final products. To supply the production lines, WMS for manufacturing begins working when the company's MES or ERP system sends the list of raw materials and their quantities to make the product in question. Once the module breaks down the list, together with easywms, it starts moving the required raw materials from the warehouse to production. The raw materials, which supply the buffer of each production line, can arrive in sequence or in parallel. After all the necessary raw materials have been gathered, they are consumed in the required manufacturing process. With processing finished and the final product in the output buffer, WMS for manufacturing records the stock created and labels it with the corresponding information. Then, the software checks to see if any shipping orders have been released. If not, the stock will be stored. This module also generates a report containing all essential information, such as the quantities of raw materials consumed and the batch each material came from. In some cases, it's necessary to review the final data in the report because every production line has a margin of error, known as shrinkage. Thanks to the module's traceability functionality, it's easy to locate expired batches or defective batches made from poorly processed raw materials. WMS for manufacturing can also manage batch creation by production and expiration date. This Mecalux Software Solutions module provides the control and the communication you need between your warehouse and production center. It gives your business comprehensive, accurate traceability from the raw materials consumed to the final product. Interlake Mecalux has over 50 years of experience in the logistics center. The thousands of projects it's implemented comprise innovative solutions that meet the needs of the market.